civil authority has issued a 911 telephone outage emergency for the following counties/areas: East Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and West Baton Rouge, Louisiana, beginning at 11:47 a.m. and ending at 4:47 p.m. Message from WDFA/CAP. Due to major surge in 911 calls in Baton Rouge, 911 services are down until further notice. Please visit the Baton Rouge Police website at www.brla.gov for alternate phone numbers. Do not use the 911 system for emergencies. Any suspicious activity should also be reported by alternate phone addresses.
A civil authority has issued a local area emergency for the following: East Baton Rouge, LA, West Baton Rouge, LA, effective until further notice. Multiple power outages across the city of Baton Rouge had left approximately 16,500 residents without power. Most power outages are localized within neighborhoods. Most of downtown is also without power. The Baton Rouge police advise all residents to have emergency supplies and to be ready should a power outage begin to affect your area.
This is the Baton Rouge Emergency Management with an urgent message. It has been discovered that the source of the widespread power drops across both Baton Rouge parishes have been caused by silver orbs breaking down power lines and transformers. Ensure that you and others can remain in touch through methods not necessitating electricity. In addition, police have noted that the high tension being released results in a scream-like noise, so if this occurs, prepare for a power outage. We now return to normal broadcasting.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Baton Rouge Emergency Management. A state of emergency exists within the city of Baton Rouge. The silver orbs, now called colliders by the Baton Rouge Emergency Management, that were breaking down power lines, are now attacking buildings and vehicles. Extreme damage has been reported throughout Baton Rouge, especially in northwestern portions of Baton Rouge and within downtown Baton Rouge. The Louisiana state capital is being moved to New Orleans during this emergency, due to state capitol buildings being heavily damaged and destroyed by these collider orbs. Those within Baton Rouge should avoid these at all costs. A voluntary evacuation has been put into place for Baton Rouge, and evacuate at your own discretion if you want to. Bring enough supplies to last up to 14 days. Repeating, civil danger for Baton Rouge. Colliders are causing extreme damage. You may evacuate if you wish to.